You probably heard MidJourney leveled up, and now MidJourney 6 and MidJourney 6 include style reference codes, and they're super simple to use. You literally just add --SREF with the code at the end of your prompt and you're golden. It's a great shortcut to creativity, and it saves you from having to type those lengthy descriptions. Now, I've been experimenting with this quite a lot, and I've tried quite a few style reference codes. In this video, I'm bringing you my favorite style reference codes that you can use to create children's storybook images. I'll use the same prompt with each style reference code so you can really see the difference that the style reference code makes to the image. I'll also use the same parameters, the same aspect ratio, the same style, and the same style weight. This way you'll really be able to see the difference that the style reference code makes. So are you ready? Before we jump in, if you're new here and you're as AI curious as I am, don't forget to hit subscribe so we can learn about these tools together. Okay, let's go back to talking about style reference codes for your storybook illustrations. I've given each style code a reference name because that's what all the cool kids are doing, and because it's much easier than reading out the long number, and it also gives it a little bit of personality. Don't worry about rushing to scribble down each style reference code. I'll include them in the description below, so you can just do that quick Control-C, Control-V action. So all you'll have to do to use the same style is just add --SREF space and then the code, and you'll get the same style for your images. It's really that easy. All right, let's check out the first one. So we've got bold vibrance, because just check out how bold and bright it is. It's really got that sense of motion and discovery, and I think it'd be really cool to use this style reference code for books that are for the ages around 4 to 8 years old. Okay, this one's super cool because it just makes everything look so magical. It's got soft glowing colors with detailed backgrounds. It's calm, it's soothing, it's got a soft, beautiful color palette. It invokes this sense of wonder and imagination. I think it'd be great for children 3 to 7 years old, but I think it could actually work for older kids as well. Next up, we've got Earthy Mystique. This is one of my favorites, and that might surprise you because I do like bright, bold colors, but this one, even though it's a bit muted, it's really eye-catching. It's simple, but it's so unique. It's got muted, earthy tones, and it really creates this mysterious adventure type atmosphere. It's dark, it's mysterious, but it's fun and it's cute. I think it'd be great for a children's book. Okay, this code is pretty cool, and it'd be great for simplistic illustrations in a book, but also probably be super cool to use if you were trying to create a coloring book. It's got a monochromatic palette with a splash of color. It's very detailed, it's got intricate patterns, and it's got this rich, textured style. I really like this one. It's not like the usual black and white. It's got this little oomph factor to it. Okay, next up, we've got Playful Vibrance. I call this Playful Vibrance because the colors are really playful, and yet they're also very unique. They're bright, they're vibrant, but they're also lighthearted. I think it'd be great for a children's book for 3 to 7 years of age. Okay, this one's probably the most unique, and to be honest, I wasn't quite sure if I wanted to include this because it's very simple, but I think that's where the beauty of this lies. I think it'd be great for a really cute book because of its bold outlines and contrasting colors. It's got minimal details, but it's still very expressive. Joyful Vibrance. The name is quite fitting on this one. It's bright, it's cheerful, it's happy, it's uplifting. You gotta try this one out. Okay, this one is playful with a little bit of spark. That's why it's called Sparky Playfulness. It's got these sparky electric colors that really make the image pop. This next one is just pure warmth. It's a cozy fantasy. It's warm, it's inviting, it's cozy. You just wanna pull up a blanket and read this book. Okay, this style reference code is also super cool. It's a little different in the sense that it's a little bit dark and it's moody, but it adds a lot of character into the character. A lot of character into the character. You know what I mean. All right, there you go. Some super cool style reference codes that you can try out for your children's book illustrations. I'd love to see what you create, so if you can, share it in the comments below. I'd love to check it out. And if you've come across style reference codes that you think would be great for a children's book illustration, leave those in the comments as well. I definitely want to try them out. All right, I'll see you in the next video.